Ever wondered why urban gardening feels like a puzzle you can't solve? It's often a struggle dealing with limited space, scarce sunlight, and poor soil quality. These challenges can deter many city dwellers with dreams of growing their own food or flowers. But don't worry, even in the concrete jungle, a green thumb can thrive. Stay tuned. Space might be at a premium, but with creativity, even the smallest balcony can turn into a green oasis. Vertical gardening, hanging baskets, and windowsill maximization are your best friends. Compact and dwarf plant varieties thrive in these settings, allowing you to cultivate variety in limited space. Remember, in gardening, every inch counts. Concerned about sunlight and soil? There are ways around that too. Picking plants that suit your sunlight availability is vital. Indoor plants can benefit from grow lights. Enhance soil conditions with quality potting soil and compost. With the right solutions, sunlight and soil won't be a problem. Once you've started, maintaining your urban garden is the next step. Regular watering, feeding plants with organic fertilizers, and staying vigilant for pests are key. Remember, tending to your plants should be enjoyable, a chance to connect with nature. Gardening is not just a hobby, it's a commitment. So, are you ready to embrace urban gardening? With the right strategies, even the most cramped city spaces can blossom into thriving green havens. Remember, space-saving solutions, proper sun and soil management, and regular maintenance are key. Urban gardening is not only possible, it's rewarding. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Let's grow together in this concrete jungle.